Hey y'all, and welcome back. Here's the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Let me break it down to y'all so you can know what we're going to do today. All right, so today we're going to be using the Great Value strawberry banana yogurt. This comes in like a 6 and 8 pack. Peaches and cream, blueberries and cream, strawberries and cream, and banana and cream, okay? So I think I'm gonna go with the strawberry one, chopped walnuts, and it says it's perfect for baking and snacking. I really like these. All of these items have their own nutritional value, guys. And just because it's a Great Value brand doesn't mean that it's not as good as the high price brands, y'all. So keep that in mind. This is one of my favorites, oats and honey granola, y'all. It's a crunchy cluster of whole rolled oats and a crisp rice, sweetened with sugar cane, honey, and a hint of molasses. Tropical trail mix. Now this has 3 grams of protein, no artificial flavors, low in sodium, low cholesterol, but this is why I purchased it because it has everything. Peanuts, dried papaya, raisins, banana chips, dried pineapple, coconut chips, and almonds. So this is definitely a great deal. And it's a healthy snack as well. Then a banana. Make these 2 packs. Pour it into the bowl. Water. Slightly cover the oatmeal. Away for 4 minutes. The oatmeal is done. Look at that. It smells so good, y'all. I like to cut the banana from the bottom. So from here all the way up. No, you do not have to take the sticker off, because why? And then I'm just gonna cut a little piece, not through the banana, but right here. Just make it where I can easily peel the shell back or the skin back, so that I can stand the banana up. I find that if the banana is really ripe, it's hard to do this. We're going to use 2 of these skewer sticks. Just gonna take these and break them down so that when I put it on the plate, it'll hold it up. Okay? So let's just break a piece of this off. Top portion. This is what you're going to be able to hold the banana split up, because we don't have the container to just sit it into. And this is the portion that I'm going to throw away, okay? And yes, I've done this before. So I know how vital it is to have a banana that's not all the way ripe, and then how to break them. Now this is broken, but that's okay. Let's put it here. Try to get that solid base there. Now, take the oatmeal and put it right down in the middle. Like a little boat. That's exactly what it looks like. It looks like a little boat. Use all of your oatmeal. I thought this was so creative and different. And it gives a variety of flavors. You want to switch it up sometimes. So that's what I'm doing. And then just take that, put it in there. No oatmeal left behind, so get as much as you can. All right, now we're going to open our yogurt. Then we're just gonna layer it like so. Yes, honey. And just sprinkle them down. Walnuts right on top. Next trail mix. And we're just going to put those right on top. Just like that. Guys, that I didn't put them in the beginning of the video, but we're definitely gonna have some fresh blueberries. I already washed these and we're just going to top it off. This is definitely a great breakfast idea to spice up that oatmeal life, you know? Until next time, I love you guys. Once again, thank you for watching my videos. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will definitely